M12 Milwaukee hack, guys. Killer deal on these. Big shout out to German at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. All right, so there's a lot of good tools you guys could get with this thing, and I would jump on it as soon as you can because they will sell out. At least the best ones will. There are some tools here that you don't see all the time. All right, so this is the M12 12-volt lithium cordless compact 2.0 amp hour battery 2-pack starter kit. Also, before we get started, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so $219, that is the price. Go down here to the free gift with purchase. And these are the tools you can select for basically get a discount, not necessarily free, but you're going to be able to get some big, huge discounts on these. All right, so let's go ahead and start here with the first one, M18 or M12 12-volt lithium cordless 3/8 crown stapler. I do have that thing, it's a beast. $139. Next one down is the lithium cordless 9 gallon per minute submersible stick transfer. That's what it's called. A transfer pump, yeah, basically that's what it's called. All right, so that's valued at $199. The next one down is the lithium cordless Bluetooth AM/FM job site radio, valued at $149. The next one down is the cordless electric portable inflator, valued at $119. Those of you that want a new fan, here you go, guys. This is the M12 lithium-ion cordless job site fan, valued at $99. You got the lithium XC high output 5 amp hour battery, valued at $119. What is this? Cordless brushless pruner shears, valued at $199. You got the lithium cordless compact spot blower, valued at $99. Keep in mind that, guys, this blower is for smaller jobs, maybe for some shop cleanup, quick cleanup, not for leaf blowing, not for yard blowing. So $99 for that. You got the cordless rotary tool, valued at $99. You got the M12 fuel brushless cordless high-speed ratchet, valued at $199. You got the M12 fuel 12-volt lithium-ion cordless 5 3/8 cordless circular saw, valued at $159. Lithium-ion cordless brushless 1/4-inch hex impact driver, valued at $139. The lithium brushless cordless 3-inch cutoff tool, valued at $149. There's a whole bunch of tools, guys. Jump on these. M12 12-volt lithium cordless oscillator multi-tool, valued at $159. So, guys, there's a whole bunch of tools. I have no idea what to choose, but I'm gonna put in some of the one of the ones that we don't see all the time. So I'll put in this transfer pump and we'll see what we get. All right, so we'll add that to the cart. You're gonna pay for the pump $104, down from $199. Killer deal on that one. Do not buy those batteries at $114. I mean, they're okay because it's $50 a piece, but I mean, you can probably get a better hack with those batteries. But yeah, for the tools, definitely jump on these tools, guys. This is a really good deal. Let's choose something else. Let's choose this fan, see what it comes down to. All right. The fan's gonna drop down to $168 or $68, not $168. So $68, that's pretty good, and then $150 for the batteries. Of course, you don't want that. Let's see what else we have. Let's punch in another one since we're here. So that's a nice deal for that fan. Let's punch in this pruner. Select this tool instead. Let's see if it does it. All right, view in the cart. All right, for the pruner, we got $104 down from $199. So basically, it's gonna be $100 off of these, or just close to $100 off. So guys, that's it. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.